Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component that often gets overlooked until it causes a major headache: the paper delivery or output tray assembly. Specifically, we're looking at a brand new, high-quality replacement tray designed for the HP LaserJet Pro M1212NF and M1217NFW printers. Anyone who owns one of these workhorse printers knows how essential a smooth, reliable paper output is. Over time, the original tray can suffer from wear and tear, cracks, broken tabs, or just general fatigue from countless sheets of paper passing through. When that happens, you start experiencing frustrating paper jams, misaligned stacks, or even sheets falling onto the floor, disrupting your workflow and making your printing tasks far more complicated than they need to be. This replacement output tray assembly is presented as a brand new, high-quality part, and that's incredibly important. When you're dealing with printer components, quality isn't just a buzzword. It directly impacts performance and longevity. A high-quality replacement means you're getting a part that's manufactured to precise specifications, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your HP LaserJet Pro M1212NF or M1217NFW. You won't have to worry about ill-fitting parts or flimsy plastic that will break again in a few months. Think about it. Your printer is an investment, and keeping it running optimally means replacing worn-out parts with components that meet or exceed the original standards. This output tray isn't just a piece of plastic. It's a critical interface between your printer's internal mechanisms and your finished documents. A properly functioning tray ensures that every page exits cleanly, stacks neatly, and is ready for you without any fuss. It restores the professional output you expect from an HP LaserJet. Installation for these types of parts is generally straightforward for anyone with a bit of DIY confidence, often involving just a few screws or clips. By replacing your damaged or worn-out tray with this brand new, high-quality assembly, you're not just fixing a problem, you're extending the life of your printer and bringing back its original efficiency. No more wrestling with crumpled pages or constantly rearranging your printouts. It's about getting back to hassle-free printing. So, if your HP LaserJet Pro M1212NF or M1217NFW has been struggling with its paper output, leading to frustration and wasted time, this brand new, high-quality paper delivery and output tray assembly could be exactly what you need. It's a simple yet effective solution to a common problem, ensuring your printer continues to serve you reliably for years to come. It's a small investment that makes a huge difference in your daily printing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.